there is one that has profoundly influenced me. It's divided into two eras: a Makki era, surahs revealed in Makkah when the Holy Prophet was born there, and we believe he was made the messenger there, and then he migrated to Medina. So the Quran started being revealed in Makkah till he moved on to Medina. So the chapters of the Quran, 114 of them, are divided into either Makki surahs or Madni surahs. Now, but when we look at the Quran, the first chapter of the Quran is a Makki surah. It's a very short surah, Surah Fatiha, but the four lengthiest surahs of the Quran, Al-Baqarah, Al-Imran, An-Nisa and Ma'idah, are Madni surahs. And immediately followed by two Makki surahs, Anam and Araf are Makki surahs. And then again followed by two Madni surahs, Surah Anfal, Surah Tawbah. Again followed by a series of surahs revealed in Makkah. But when I came across the teachings or the findings, in fact, of Hamiduddin Farahi Sahib, he was the first man in centuries after Holy Prophet ﷺ, if you allow me to say, who came up with a very pragmatic and plausible reasoning based on the coherence of the Quran. He divided the Quran into certain groups based on one verse of the Quran, which says Sabab min al-Mathani, chapter 15, verse 87, that I have given you 7 in pairs, that is the glorious Quran. And then subsequently his student Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi Sahib divided them into perhaps 7 groups. In each group actually starts with a Makki surah and ends with a Madni surah, exactly as the prophetic life of Prophet ﷺ was. So I think that really influenced me and cleared my concept regarding the coherence of the Quran.